Okay, we tried the Delectables Lickable Treat Bisque with tuna and chicken. It's like a thick, creamy soup, and it did eat all of it. Yeah, it had some difficulty though. Like every now and then it does some weird thing like this. I don't know. So, it did make it a little bit better. Gretchen wants to know what's going on with the cat. Poor kitty. So yeah, it's definitely got some issues. But it did eat all of it. And this is, let's see, 1.4 ounce. You like that, kitty? And I got some other ones we're gonna try too, different kinds.